I was sick recently. I had no appetite, I didn't want to eat, I didn't want to drink, I just wanted to sleep. I was a real wreck, but I knew I had to eat something. The only thing I wanted to eat were mandarin oranges, and not mandarin oranges like this, but mandarin oranges like this in a tin. Now normally I'm not interested in tin fruit because we like naughty syrup, but I just felt I had to have it. So how do you have mandarin oranges when you're sick? Well, obviously you can just put them in a bowl and eat them, but that's a bit boring. So what I thought I'd do is I put them in the ice cube container and make a bit of fun. And so all you do is you just da-da-da-da with the juice, a bit more, da-da-da, da-da-da-da, willy-nilly, and then you put the mandarin orange pieces like this, and you just pop one into the ice cube container, just like this. And of course, if you want to be a bit more adventurous, you can use something like this, particularly if you've got kids and the kids are sick and you might want to try and get them to eat at least something, then it might be a good idea to try the mandarin oranges thing. And as my dear friend Jacqueline Morrill would say, it tasted so beautiful, it was like a kiss. So to me, it's like a kiss. Now I know you want to see what they look like, so let's go to the fridge. And here we have our mandarin oranges. And you see I've used things like these paper casings, so you get different shapes. And I've also introduced the heart-shaped ones as well, like so. So, here we have a little mandarin heart. And because the sugar in the syrup is slightly heavy, it kind of gives a nice melt in the mouth thing. So when you put them in your mouth, they're not hard. When you're sick, you don't want anything that's too heavy on the stomach, you don't want anything too dramatic. So oranges, I think, are a bit too acidic, whereas mandarin oranges are perfect. So you've got these dear little shapes, whoops, where you can just bite. Delicious. So, your mandarin orange kisses. When you're sick, they're beautiful. When it's hot, they're beautiful. They literally melt in the mouth, and all you need is a tin of mandarin oranges, an ice container, and you just eat them. They're beautiful.